In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick 1-minute hack to keep your crypto safe by ensuring your Phantom wallet locks automatically when you're not using it. Let's get started. First things first, to begin this process, you'll need to open your Phantom wallet on your mobile device. You can do this by tapping on the Phantom icon, conveniently located among your apps. The Phantom wallet is a crucial tool for managing your cryptocurrency, and it's vital to ensure it's secure, especially in today's digital landscape where security threats are more prevalent. Once you've opened the app, your next step will be to head over to the settings area, which you can easily find by looking towards the bottom right of your screen. There, you'll see a gear icon, which is a universal symbol for settings. Tapping this icon will take you to a host of options that allow you to customize and secure your wallet according to your preferences. With the settings menu now open, scroll through until you find the security option. Tap on Security to explore the various security features available in your Phantom wallet. This section is designed to help you fortify your wallet against unwanted access, ensuring that only you can manage and interact with your digital assets. Now, direct your attention to the Auto Lock Timer option. This feature is an excellent tool that helps in maintaining the security of your wallet by setting a specific time after which the wallet will automatically lock itself when not in use. Tap on the Auto Lock Timer to see the available durations. Here you have a range of options, but for enhanced security, I recommend setting it to either 15 seconds or 1 minute. Choosing a shorter auto lock time means that your wallet will secure itself quickly during brief periods of inactivity, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Once you've selected your preferred auto lock time, congratulations, you're all set. This simple yet effective measure will ensure that your wallet auto locks after the selected period of inactivity, offering peace of mind. Even if you get distracted or step away from your phone, your wallet will take care of the rest, keeping your crypto assets safe from prying eyes or accidental exposure. That's it. Remember, staying safe and smart with your cryptocurrency holdings is key. By implementing this quick security measure, you're taking a significant step in safeguarding your digital investments. Thanks for tuning in, and take care of your security always.